Yes, I've noticed that there's a problem with homelessness in Cardiff.
So I've noticed that there's definitely a bit of a problem with homelessness around Cardiff.
Yeah, I've definitely noticed a massive increase in the last couple of years.
I just think about their life stories and you know what got them there and how they could get back on their feet.
I've given people change before, but I think that charities offer obviously a lot more help, because when you give someone the change, you don't know what they're doing with it.
I definitely think having like contactless pay points around the city would benefit a lot more, because if you're giving someone change or a sandwich, it's not really doing much to help them with their own progression.
Whether it is to get them, kitted out so they can go to an interview to bet themselves, or whether it is just putting them in, like a bed for a night.
I'd be interested in contributing to something that is local for Cardiff and surrounding area that can assist, but is also joined up with the services, local authority and people working for homeless people in the area generally.